what to do, what to wear, how to get dressed, how to go about your day when absolutely nothing is working and you cannot get it together. I can come up with 100 billion outfits for YouTube, but day-to-day life is totally different, and I honestly struggle most days to get dressed for just like everyday activities. So this is what I do to make things work. Before we get into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Dove for sponsoring. So my first tip for when you've already exhausted everything in your brain to get dressed and you are just not feeling like anything is looking right on you is to get clean and get smelling clean. I am being so for real. When my hair is greasy, when my face isn't washed, when I feel like my pits stink or like just BO is following me, nothing will look good on me until I just hop in the shower. So this is the perfect time to talk about today's sponsor, Dove. Something that instantly completes any outfit is smelling good. And that's why today I'm teaming up with Dove to show you my favorite Dove body wash, beauty bar, and body scrub in my favorite scents. Creating a signature scent has made a routine in my getting ready process that instantly puts me on the right track. Now I always start my shower with the Dove body wash and beauty bar in the matching white peach and rice milk scent. And using my loofah makes the experience so much more luxurious, creating an amazing lather. This combo works to rebalance my skin while covering me in a sweet scent. I follow up with my Dove body scrub in dragon fruit and coconut. I love mixing a body wash, beauty bar, and body scrub scents to create a scent smoothie of my own. Dove has a plethora of body washes, beauty bars, and body scrub scents available, so you can truly create your own personal scent. You want to smell and feel great fresh out of the shower? Make sure to give these Dove products a try. Promise you will smell next level. I swear getting clean and smelling good with Dove normally solves 99% of my problems, and I can get dressed so much quicker. Before I had this haircut, the next thing that I would have to do is my hair. I cannot express how much my hair would affect my outfit. I don't feel the need to put on makeup day to day, and I never feel like that really has an effect on my appearance or even like my self-esteem. But especially having bangs or postpartum hair where half of my hair was curly in the back and the front was straight, if I didn't at least like put my hair in two piggies or fix my bangs up, I would hate every outfit on me. So if you don't already, get a haircut that can dry naturally. It is seriously life-changing to not have to always put heat product in your hair or just have a go-to hairstyle, even if it's like a slick back bun or a French braid or something that you know will work for you. Yeah, it just with bangs is hard because when they were even pulled out of my face, I just never felt like myself. I have to just have a clean hair. The next thing that can save an outfit are glasses for me. Even if you don't wear glasses, just having a pair that are thick, distracting, and kind of like make an entire outfit is so helpful on days where everything is just looking trash. I swear you can put on jeans and a t-shirt and you're good to go. Sometimes like adding a big, bold, distracting piece like a glasses just kind of distracts myself from my outfit. And truly anything I put on, and probably anything you're putting on day to day, looks fine. It's just we're our biggest critics, so distract yourself. It's not about distracting other people from your outfit, it's about distracting yourself. Next thing that honestly saves me so often, another bold statement piece, and that's a printed pant. Like the cheetah print pants are so big right now, and I think that's so easy to put that on with black tank top, a white t-shirt, even like a graphic t-shirt, honestly anything, any top with a printed pair of cheetah print pants or gingham pants. I have these little cherry pants from my friend Amanda that in the summer I can't wait to start wearing these, or spring, with just like a little tank top, and I feel good to go. Put it on with like my loafers, especially like following a method like sandwich method with the shoes or wrong shoe theory. If I have a plan of action, I can figure out really quickly, especially revolving it around a big bold piece like a printed pant. So printed pants save me so often, especially if it's something where like I'm going out at night and I definitely want a cute look, but I'm still just like able to put anything together. Printed pants save my boot honestly 100% of the time. In college, I was always just putting on printed pants and a top and calling it a day, and I would get so many compliments on my outfit. Next one, same vibe, but I want to go through like my saviors, and that is a statement necklace or statement earrings. I recently thrifted this little polka dot necklace. I think it honestly looks so cute with this top. Or statement earrings. You guys probably already know I have these little heart earrings that I designed with Ana Luisa. These are so good with just like a dress, jeans and a t-shirt, whatever. I have even like bigger, bolder ones. Like these bad boys can really just like take an outfit from drab, not doing it, to something fun. Yeah, statement earrings, statement necklace. Normally like I find pieces around my face, they'll help an outfit. Like a big bangle is really not going to save the day. It's a great accessory that I love, but when I'm struggling, I need a big accessory by my face. Next thing that you need to do if you can't pick out your outfit and you feel like poop and everything you put on is outfit repeat. Go look on your Instagram, because if you posted a picture in an outfit, that means you liked it enough to post a picture in your outfit. You liked it enough to take a picture in it, to look at your photo and think, okay, I'm gonna post this. Get your Instagram and put on the exact outfit you're wearing in one of your pictures. Nobody remembers it. Nobody remembers it if it's on your feed, in your stories, on your body. You wore it yesterday, you wore it 2 hours ago. I think having go-to outfits are so important, and I honestly forget about a lot of my outfits, and then I'll stalk my own Instagram for like video ideas or even outfit inspo, and I'm like, why don't I wear that? And it's because I wore it once and I'm like, I don't want to like post it again in a picture. Nobody cares. Outfit repeat. And the last tip I have is an outfit formula. These also save my booty when nothing is working. I have go-to outfit formulas that I can plug my clothes into, and I know I'll have an awesome outfit every single time. I have 2 videos like this on my channel if you want to see me talk more in depth about every outfit formula. But that's it for this video. How to look put together when I can't get it together. Thank you again to Dove for sponsoring this video. You can shop any of the products in the link in the description box, and I'll see you guys in a few days.